You guys ready?
Wait, let me explain. That's a camera, and they took off the lid off it. There's 2 batteries on it, so it shocks, not too badly, but it shocks enough for the muscle to tense up. So yeah, here it goes.
Paul, you ready?
No,
God, hurry up, Paul.
It's loading. Load faster.
Alright, so whenever you're ready, Antonio.
I'm waiting for
Alright,
Paul.
here we go. That's like, okay, bye.
Let's hope he doesn't fall
You
over.
set my
Sean.
bike hair on fire, I'm gonna be pissed.
You ready?
Wait.
God damn it.
Alright.
Go.
Go.
No. Yeah, go ahead.
Did you do it?
No, I didn't get it.
Wait.
No, it's not
Not
shocking me.
Alright,
I'm scared, dude. I'm scared. Fuck you.
Show me the camera. Dad, he took the lid off a fucking disposable camera. Oh fuck. How you feel, John?
It hurt.
Like a lot?
No, I can't stay on my leg.
Why not?
Fuck you guys. No mas! No. God, now my foot's tingling. What the fuck? Okay.
You got a piece of paper? I'm gonna try that.
No, you're not lighting shit on fire.
videotaping me?
Alright, we're all supposed to taste you.
You're not tasting me anymore. I already got taste fucking fire.
Paul, you got taste.
I think it's a good spot.
Tummy.
Nick.
Not the nip.
Yeah, do the nip. Do the
I'll
nip.
record it for you.
No.
I'll record it for you.
Back
Hold
to
this.
No.
Your ass.
Dude, right here.
Ass cheek.
Right here.
I'm thinking like
Completely knock out your fucking
Or we can do it like right on the fatty area
Yeah,
of your
right
thigh,
here.
or we're gonna do your ass.
No, right here,
my
dude.
ass.
Do his ass.
Yes, alright.
Wait. Oh.